Unveiling the meaning behind promise of spring. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and metaphorical phrase, promise of spring. This phrase is not just about the season, but carries a deeper meaning in English literature and everyday language. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your conversations. At first glance, promise of spring seems straightforward. It refers to the upcoming arrival of the spring season. However, in English, this phrase goes beyond just talking about weather or seasons. It symbolizes new beginnings, hope, and rejuvenation. Spring is known for bringing life back to nature after the cold, dormant winter. Similarly, the promise part of the phrase suggests a guarantee or expectation that something good and new is on the horizon. In literature, promise of spring is often used to depict scenes or emotions associated with optimism and renewal. For example, a character overcoming hardships might be described as seeing the promise of spring in their journey. In everyday language, you might hear someone say, "After the long negotiations, we finally see the promise of spring in our business deal," indicating a positive turn or hopeful future. Using promise of spring in your language can add a layer of poetic flair. It's perfect for expressing optimism. Despite the challenges, I see the promise of spring in our team's efforts. Reflecting on change, the new policy brings with it the promise of spring for the community. Describing nature, the budding flowers and warmer air are the first promise of spring. This phrase also holds cultural significance in many English-speaking countries, where spring is often awaited after long, harsh winters. It represents a universal feeling of hope and happiness that comes with change and growth, making it a relatable and powerful phrase in both spoken and written English. The phrase, promise of spring, is a beautiful example of how English language can encapsulate complex emotions and ideas in just a few words. It's about looking forward with optimism and embracing new beginnings. We hope this video helps you appreciate and use this phrase in your English learning journey. Keep exploring, and remember, every word and phrase is a step towards fluency and understanding. See you in our next video.